Hey guys, this is Mike from Mike Buys Houses. Was speaking with a homeowner and he was asking me when is a missed mortgage payment reported to his credit report because he hadn't seen it yet on there and he just missed his mortgage payment. So we kind of talked about when that is and what happens if you do miss a mortgage payment in this video here. First thing, if you do miss a mortgage payment, expect to have to pay a late fee. That's going to be anywhere from 3 to 6%. And that's if you do not pay your mortgage payment within the grace period. Typically, a um, mortgage company will give you, 5, maybe 10 days in order to make a payment without applying that late fee. And that's called a grace period. But after that, they will apply that 3 to 6% late fee. I have seen, sometimes over time, if you miss mortgage payments, then those late fees accrued at the tens of thousands of dollars. So that's definitely something you want to get ahead of early. So again, 3 to 6% for that first month, but it's going to accrue every month. So as far as an actual credit hit, the most important thing to know is that most banks don't actually consider a mortgage payment late until the 15th, and then 30 days after that is when they are allowed to apply that missed payment to the credit report. So sometimes it could take up to 45 days to see it happen, depending on your bank and your specific mortgage documents. So look anywhere from 30 to 45 days in order for the credit hit to show up. And do realize that 35% of your credit score is dependent on on-time payments. So those missed payments are going to make an impact on your credit score negatively, and it's going to last for 7 years. So the next thing we talked about is kind of what steps can you take in order to prevent this from snowballing. The first thing you're going to want to do if you know you missed a mortgage payment, or you're going to miss a mortgage payment, or you're going to miss a string of mortgage payments, is reach out to the bank. They probably have some documents that you're going to fill out in order to either look for forbearance or a loan modification, depending on your situation. The other thing you could do is sell the property. Depending on the situation or the condition, you can list it with a realtor. They're going to help you get top dollar, but that's going to potentially take some time. So just be aware that you may miss a few more mortgage payments in that situation, depending on how long it takes to close. Sometimes with conventional closes, it can take up to 3 months. So depending on your situation, that may or may not make sense. And if you want to find out if it does make sense, feel free to reach out to us at 267-984-4765 or visit us at MikeBuysHousesPA.com. We would love to go over your options with you. So we like to tell homeowners that we will, do the best for them. So we may not be the buyers for you, but we're going to analyze the situation and we're going to give you the best options. If you want to check out our video on the 8 options to prevent foreclosure, we're going to go through those basically with you. What we're going to do is we're going to go down the checklist. All right, does step 1 work for you? Get a loan modification. Does step 2, do you know someone to get a loan? And then we're going to go down that list. And eventually, one of those steps is sell with a realtor. We're going to say, does this make sense in your situation? We're going to talk about it with you. And after that, if that still doesn't make sense, then we'll talk about how we may be the buyers for you. So if you want to have that conversation, we'd be more than happy. So if you, again, want to, it's at 267-984-4765 or visit us at MikeBuysHousesPA.com. We look forward to helping you.